Why criticism can feel personal. Criticism is inevitable, whether it comes from colleagues, family, social media, or even strangers. It can feel personal, but how you handle it determines whether it builds or breaks your confidence. Many people let criticism paralyze them, making them second-guess their decisions. But the most confident individuals understand that criticism is not a reflection of their worth. It's an opportunity for growth. Types of criticism: constructive versus destructive. Constructive criticism, given with good intent to help you improve. Example: a mentor suggests ways you can enhance your skills. Destructive criticism, meant to tear you down rather than help. Example: someone insults your work without offering useful feedback. How to handle criticism with confidence. 1. Pause before reacting. Instead of reacting emotionally, take a deep breath and assess whether the criticism is valid. Ask yourself, is this feedback meant to help me? Can I learn something from this? 2. Separate your worth from the criticism. Just because someone critiques your work, choices, or opinions does not mean you are unworthy or incompetent. Even the greatest leaders and creators receive criticism. 3. Use constructive criticism to improve. If feedback is genuine and useful, apply it to become better. For example, if a coach advises an athlete to refine their technique, it's meant to help them win. 4. Ignore unproductive negativity. Not all criticism deserves your attention. If it is hateful or unhelpful, dismiss it and move forward. Confidence means knowing when to listen and when to ignore. 5. Remember, even the best get criticized. Michael Jordan was told he wasn't good enough for his high school varsity team. Beyoncé was once told she didn't have star potential. Albert Einstein was called slow by his teachers. All of them ignored the negativity and proved their worth through action. Real-life example: Taylor Swift's response to critics. Taylor Swift has faced harsh media criticism throughout her career. Instead of letting it break her, she turned negativity into fuel, writing hit songs and proving her critics wrong through success. She once said, "If you learn to shake off the negative comments, you open yourself up to greater opportunities." Key takeaway: criticism doesn't define you. How you respond to it does. Use it to grow or ignore it and keep moving forward. Please like, comment, and subscribe.